everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to recover deleted WhatsApp contact. So if you want to recover a deleted WhatsApp contact, what you want to do is, since WhatsApp automatically syncs with your phone's address book, recovering a deleted WhatsApp contact usually involves restoring it into your phones first. So you could check if the chat still exists. Simply launch open WhatsApp. You could go ahead and look for these in the very home page. Just like this, you just want to make sure to go and find it. You could also go ahead and tap on the search. You could search by the name and all that and simply select whether they have it on this page or not. Next, what you could also do is you could just go to the phone book, and here you could just go ahead and tap on the menu and go to contact sections. Here you could also go ahead and look one after the another, and that should also definitely help you out. Next, what you could also do is just go ahead and tap onto the gear icon and go to settings on this page. Here you want to go ahead and look for these deleted contact or undeleted contact sections or recently deleted. This is where you should be able to find as well, and this way you should be able to fix. Next, what you could also do is simply go to your phone settings on your device, and after which you just go to the Google's, and you have to go ahead and simply tap on all services, after which you just want to make sure to go ahead and select recommended actually, and just go ahead and look for restore contact to sync them back as well. So this should definitely help you out to recover your WhatsApp contact. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.